Hey everybody, it's Steve. Welcome to another Luminist tutorial video. Luminist is a photo editing app designed by me for photographers who want to get away from the Adobe monthly fees. And I'm happy to announce that there's another version available today at the time of this video. It's version 1.1.2. The other way you can open images is the gallery button at the top. This is new in version 1.1.2. It's going to open up a blank gallery. You can click on the Open Files button or at the top to the file, Open Files like we did before. We're just going to click on the Open Files button for this. You're going to search again your hard drive or external drive, and you're just going to look to see where the photos are that you want to edit. You highlight them all and click Open. It's going to populate the gallery. You want to edit an image, you can simply just double click on it, and not only does it open the image to edit, but it also loads a copy of the gallery down here in the film strip. If you want to go back to the gallery, click on the gallery button at the top. You can also rate the images 5-star, 4-star. Once you have your rating system in place, if you decide to rate your images, you go up here to sort by name, the date added, or by rating. Click on rating. It's going to automatically sort them as you choose the star number. So this one, say let's give it a 2. It's going to show up here at the end. Let's give this one a 5. It's going to put it in the beginning. So you can sort by rating, the name, or the date added. Now, if you want the same sort to show up in the film strip, you click Apply Sort to Film Strip. Sort by rating. When you click Edit, they will show up in the film strip in the order that you rated them. If you don't like that, you can just uncheck Apply Sort to Film Strip, and then you can just go through your film strip how you initially imported them. If you hover over an image for about a second, a little less than a second, you're going to see an enlarged version of the image come up. So you can get a quick closer look at it. If you don't want to see the hover preview in the upper right, you click hover preview off. Uncheck the box. So now you're just going to hover over them. Nothing's going to come up. I personally like it, so I always leave it on. Well, that does it for this video. If you guys have any questions or comments, please let me know down below. Don't forget to check out the site, luministapp.com, and Luminist is available on the App Store. If you like the app, feel free to give us a rating. Let us know what you think, and spread the word on it. More features are coming. We've got some stuff in store that you guys are really going to enjoy. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you in the next video.